fully rich.
Queen Diego, Sierra Mike, around with 25, so between 25 degrees, 05 knots, clear for takeoff, after the bar to early left turning to Palmerston runabout.
Sierra Mike rolling 25, and it'll be a left turn, Palmerston roundabout.
Charlie Foxtrot Yankee, Weston Tower.
Charlie Foxtrot Yankee, Weston Tower, go ahead.
Charlie Foxtrot Yankees on the grass. Engines turn up with
Yeah, you've got to go right there. Can you turn off the Can you turn off the heating there, please?
Queen Golf Sierra Mike, good afternoon, Dublin QNH 1017, runway 28 active, and go ahead, your message.
Roger, just approaching the Palmerston roundabout now. We'll continue on straight towards the chimneys and then break right for Dunleary Harbour and Killiney. Max alt will be 1500 feet.
Golf Sierra Mike, roger, break. Queen Golf Sierra Mike, can you contact approach now 121.1, reference the inbound I-4 approach traffic for Weston.
121.1, Sierra Mike. Approach, good afternoon, Echo India Golf Sierra Mike.
Echo India Golf Sierra Mike, take up a southerly track, please.
Southerly track, Echo Sierra Mike.
Sierra Mike, there's traffic inbound to Weston IF4. I need to get you out of his route.
Sierra Mike, understood.
Okay. You see the stadium coming up on your left?
Yeah.
Level 80.
The one, the last one.
3 Mike, turn left to Lapo, descend 5,000 feet on the QNH 1017.
You're looking out the window? Okay, look straight down. You see the house?
Yes.
You see the house?
Oh, yes.
I don't know now. He said Lima, whatever that is. Oh, there he is below us. Okay, he's gone right below us. See the aircraft below us? Look. See him? Whoosh.
What?
An airplane just shot underneath us there.
That.
Okay, you see
The guy on the runway.
The guy on the runway, yeah. Okay.
He must have just landed, has he? Or
Yeah, we'll see.
You.
Okay, do you see the aeroplanes? Here? Just here, right here, see?
Yes.
We're going to land in there. Perfect. Perfect. Couldn't do it better myself, which is very annoying.
And Echo Sierra Mike finals now for 36.
Double markers, not the first two, this is the second set of double.
Yeah.
And your speed is lovely. Yeah, your speed is lovely. Speed is good, speed is good, speed is good. That's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely perfect. Okay, full flap coming in?
Yeah, full flap. Power's going to go on it.
Super job. Ooh, sore. Ooh.